guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted videos on YouTube. After unlocking your phone, open the YouTube Studio app. This app is used to manage your YouTube channel, videos, and uploads. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where your videos were originally uploaded. Tap on the Content option from the bottom left side of the screen. Here you can see all videos uploaded on your channel, and you can manage or review them anytime. Scroll through the list to locate the video you are looking for. Carefully check the content list for your deleted video. If a video is permanently deleted from YouTube, it cannot be restored because YouTube removes it from its servers. So recovery directly from YouTube Studio is not possible in that case. Go back and open your phone's gallery or Photos app. Sometimes the original video file is still saved on your device storage, which allows you to upload it again to YouTube. Check the recently deleted or trash folder in your gallery app. Many phones temporarily store deleted videos here before removing them permanently. If your video is available, restore it and it will return to your gallery. If the video is deleted from both YouTube and your device storage, recovery is not possible. That's why it is important to always keep backups of your important videos using cloud storage or another device. This helps prevent permanent data loss. And that's how you can check and recover deleted YouTube videos step by step. After following these methods, you'll know whether your video can still be recovered or not. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.